everyone, it's me Interstate 290. So today we're going to be taking a 2020 diecast review on the Shiny Wax Racing Tractor known as the Conrad Camber Tractor. So Mattel usually calls these tractors by their sponsors, which is they are not getting it right, because this is actually the Conrad Camber Tractor, and here's his artwork and the Blue Desert art, the Cars logo, and the tractor on the back. The bio, if you want to pause and read. You can get Rev and Go Racing Tractor, and I believe I reviewed it about 3 weeks ago, and if you want to check it out, there'll be a card right above, and we'll compare to him when Conrad Camber Tractors opened up. And to the next gen. And the Conrad Camber Tractor as himself. Let's open him up. Alright, here is the Conrad Camber Tractor known as the Shiny Wax Tractor out of the package. Well, I gotta say, he looks so phenomenal with the metallic. I gotta say, we never had a metallic tractor before in Mattel, but the Disney store did. But I cannot believe that Mattel made a tractor metallic as the Conrad Camber Tractor, which I'm pretty impressed about. But anyways, let's talk about where he appeared, and we'll compare him to Conrad Camber and then to the Rev and Go Racing Tractor. But anyways, let's get started. The Conrad Camber Tractor just does have a pretty happy expression because he's relaxing, and there's the spark plug 82, like the sunshine Shiny Wax logo, and there's that shine, the blue pipe, and the black rims. The base is all brown, made in Thailand, and the rookie stripes because Conrad Camber was a rookie in the Florida 500 because that was his first race, and the eyes look pretty good on him, not bad at all. Pretty impressed about this, but Mattel did a good job. But here are the sponsors: Piston Cup, Combustor, Carbon Cyber, and Synergy. And he did appear at the Florida 500 while Cruz is escaping the tractors in Cars Tree, and we are getting a tractor Jonas Carvers and the Rich Mixon tractor pretty soon. And there's the 82 on the top, which you can't see, but I have a flashlight on the phone. Now let's do a comparison to the Rev and Go Tractor. So they have the same models, but the mounts are different. While Conrad Camber's mount is open, being happy, and the Rev and Go Tractor is smiling. And I really prefer the Conrad Camber Tractor because of the metallic as for right now, and they have the same rookie stripes, but expressions are different, and the faces too, and the rims. Moo. Now it's time to compare him with Conrad Camber, but this is going to be a major change. But expressions are different. They have the same shiny wax, but the eyes are different because the tractor's eyes are not black, while the normal one is black, metallic, 82. And Conrad Camber's back on the diecast one is black and it's supposed to be green, and he's inaccurate. And while the green one, while the tractor one has the green back, which is the tractor is good, but the normal one is not on Conrad, which is pretty disappointing. The bases, And that was it for this review, and that was a quick review for today, and hope you enjoy, and let me know in the comment section below, who do you prefer, the tractor of Conrad Camber, or Normal Conrad Camber, or the Fireball Beach Conrad Camber, and we'll see you next time, and goodbye. Moo!
Please like this and check out my latest bit.